How to share your referral link on ExpertOption. Hi everyone, welcome back to Finance and Crypto Guide. If you are using ExpertOption and want to share your referral link, then first of all, open the ExpertOption app or visit the ExpertOption website and sign into your account. Once you're signed in, go ahead and then tap on the Invite and Earn option on the left-hand side corner, and then go to Referral Link from the top. Inside Referral Link, you'll be able to see the Share Link button at the bottom. Click on it, and your referral link will be displayed at the top. Tap on the little copy button to copy your referral link, and then you can go ahead and share the referral link to your friends and wait for them to register using your link, following the program's terms and conditions. So you can also go ahead and choose the apps such as WhatsApp, Telegram, email, or messages and paste in the link and send it to any of your friends. So that's how you can share your ExpertOption referral link. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thanks for watching.